Choosing white kitchen cabinets is not a bad idea. Are you looking forward to give a vintage look to your kitchen? If your answer is yes, then you fall in the category of the people who want to make their kitchen space look wonderful, but at the same time they don't want to see it wearing out. There are some people who have made regretful decisions in designing their kitchen space. When you are designing your kitchen, you know how much you can afford to spend on the project. It is natural to want your kitchen to look like the one shown in the magazines. That's what people do. They decorate their kitchens like they see in the magazines. These designs are just fashion trends that will wear out soon. You will regret your decision of going for these designs because when the fashion will be over, then your kitchen's design will look outdated. You will not be able to keep up the look for the years to come. This will call for another expense in terms of new remodeling. Instead of making such a choice, it is better for you to choose such an option that could make your kitchen look fresh and new. Choosing white kitchen cabinets can be that perfect idea. A kitchen with white cabinets always looks wonderful. The space not just looks bigger but brighter too. You can make light adjustments and choose the appliances of the kitchen accordingly to make the kitchen space wonderful. Before designing your white kitchen, it is recommended to look for the white kitchen designs in different home remodeling magazines and websites. They can be of great help for giving ideas to you in designing your kitchen into something wonderful and timeless. White kitchen cabinets will look great in a small kitchen.